What's up, guys? Today I'm making another video. This time it's gonna be a song video. It's called Michael Jackson Human Nature. Always why I'm doing this song is because I really like Michael Jackson. I like his songs, and I'm gonna be singing Michael Jackson. So CJ, so cool. Could you start the song?
Oh, dang it.
What you doing?
Hold on.
Hold on, he messed up, guys.
Alright, say it again.
Alright, go. Say, come on. Oh, why? Looking out till the nighttime. This night, hear her voice shake my window. This inducing sighs get me out. Nighttime, oh, in the night, it means it's just an apple. Then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that is human nature. Why does he do me that way? That's all I know, guys. Thank you for listening to this song, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, Jeazy Wardlaw.